Hello, and welcome back to this episode of Honolulu, Hawaii, where we will take you on a quick tour of the largest ABC store, a glimpse into the Kona Pastries and Coffee Shop, and the festivities going on in late January of 2025.
You can get like beach lunch.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, tomorrow we're gonna go to the beach. This is one of the largest ABC store in the area. It has a deli sections where there is a sitting area and hot lunches are also available to order. We are taking an early morning walk around the area, and yesterday a storm came through and flooded some of the area around here.
Because we see a lot of these. Tim ice cream place is open this time of morning, you know.
Oh,
It's still reasonable. It reads it well.
it'd be nice if people like make changes to it. Let's say if it moved, if it will alert you that your luggage moved.
I think
You know?
you could set things up like that.
So that way,
I don't know what I would use them for, the pods. Then you can locate it.
no, not just steal it. They don't have to steal it. They can just open and take what they need out of it.
Well, I don't know if motion and all that. But you can put up cameras. You can buy them little big cameras now. Connect them to your phone and watch it and do everything you want to watch them for, you know. The winds and Sticks is over there.
I just think it's actually closer.
Pretty close at it. Pretty close. Trying to look for something. Yeah, see the beach coma is owned by Outrigger as well. hotels here. The one with Duke's in our hotel. And then
Okay. There's ice cream.
that's Royal Hawaiian there. Look,
Let's
there's
go there.
See it?
Yeah. See, I think they postponed it from yesterday. Do it today instead.
Sweatshirt, but that's cool. I kind of like that.
They're not open just
I
yet.
know, I'm just saying that I'm looking for something just I can wear all the time. I don't want to just wear it on the beach. I want to go wear it during the summer. Yeah, is this?
You could get your.
I got it today.
I think I'm gonna get one of those.
You want some?
Oh, I'll do the strawberry guava. And to go. The chocolate banana almond. And the chocolate chip cookie.
You don't want to drink?
No.
Sorry, it's so hard to decide.
Yeah. That's it. Oh, look how cute. Maui cola berries. Do you want to try? I know it's dessert.
You don't want anything to drink yourself?
Recross.
Nope.
Here's that crossing.
There you go. Just we go over that way.